numbers. So why can't you just conclude at the outset they are two different numbers? 10 is different from 30 or not, I will come to you. They are different. Why you conducted the t-test or any kind of test for that matter? Why test should be conducted? अरे मैथमेटिकली नहीं बताओ. ठीक है. I can, without applying to any mathematics, I can say they both are different. 10 is not equal to 30. Anyone can say without applying your test. I'll come. Let other people understand. It is the basic essence actually. I can't danger crossing it over, jumping. Yes. Any layman can say 10 is different from 30. Why you conducted this test then? One. Except for Srikanth, anyone in this row would like to reply? And don't share. People who already know it, be little cool. I'll come to you next level. Harshit, you be calm. Any idea why you conduct test? 10 is not equal. At least you agree to this or not? 10 is not equal to 30. Do you agree with this or not? Where is the need to conduct test? So many formulas written here. They actually intimidate. I am not able to sleep. I am coming. And then I will ask you to be quiet. This row including everyone. What is the need to conduct test? Why a test should be conducted at the first place? This is the essence. This is the starting point. It doesn't matter, you know all these y minus y bar, y hat minus y mean, this, that, it is all rubbish. Everything is based on logic, common sense. If logic is not clear, this cramming up won't help. Cramming things doesn't help. Last row. Nobody is sure in this world, don't worry. Significant. There is a difference of opinion. Which scale you are going to use to measure what is the difference between opinion of two people? Why you want to check the difference? What is the issue in front of you? What is the research question I will ask? 10 and 30 are different, that's it. There is a difference of 20 numbers. One student has got 30 out of 30 for that matter, one has got 10 marks. There is a difference of 20 marks. Did you ever check any significance when you got marks in your PG and UG? What is the significance? How difference is the significance between you and anyone who failed or anyone who topped the class? Then why you are doing here? Because you have got a SPSS. So run whatever routine. Let's use time. Some wisdom it seems is prevailing. Yes. हाँ तो क्या हो गया पॉपुलेशन? हाँ तो दोनों में लड़ाई होनी चाहिए. तो पॉपुलेशन मीन होगा और सैंपल मीन होगा. दिख रहा है साफ साफ कि ये पीली शर्ट पहने हैं, मैं सफेद पहना हूं. अब इसमें सिग्निफिकेंस क्यों चेक कर रहे हो? I don't know. Last three students, not student, participants, sorry. Yes, physical education is strong, people from physical education. to test the hypothesis. Why should I at all set a hypothesis when I know